today's video, I'm gonna be working in the yard. So I got this tree stump I need to get out. I don't know how I'm gonna get it out, but I have an idea. I just don't know if it's gonna work. Pretty much I had two tree stumps that I need to get rid of. One, I'm going to sod over just because the neighbor put up a bunch of trees. And two is in the backyard. I really wanna put another tree there, and I got a quote, but they wanted like $1,600 to replace a tree. So I'm like, $1,600? No, thank you. I'll dig this thing out myself. It's gonna take a long time. I'm probably not gonna know what I'm doing. And in the end, it very possibly could fail miserably. But $1,600 versus, you know, not $1,600? Yeah. So this is the second one. And yeah, this thing is big. So I gotta dig this whole thing out around it and try to make it a little bit easier to pull out of the ground. Did it. I need to raise that up, don't I? There you go. So I got the tree planted. I think I did okay. I wish I would have maybe raised it up an inch or two from where the bottom was. I thought I had it kind of leveled out, but then once I put dirt and stuff and kind of packed it down, it instantly went lower than what I wanted it to. So, you know, it may end up not growing as well, just dying again, in which case that would suck. But I mean, it's either going to take root or not, and if it does die early, then it'll be a lot easier to take out than the old one, because the old one was like a lot bigger. I don't know why it died, but this one has one bag of compost that I mixed in there in kind of layers. I put some compost and I put some topsoil, and then more topsoil, and then some compost, and just kind of mixed it around so there's different layers. And then I also bought some kind of root growth thing. I don't even know what it does, or I don't even know if I used it right. She was like, put this on there. I'm like, how much is it? $10. So at the end of the day, I still need to get some sod, but at the end of the day, I basically ended up spending less than, I think, $200, maybe $250 total. And during that, I purchased a jack stand that I knew I would need to try to lever this root ball out, which actually helped a lot. It was kind of a cheesy way to do it, but the jack stand with the fence post and everything, I mean, it loosened it up enough that I could yank it out with my four-wheeler. So before, when I tried to pull it with the four-wheeler, it did not work. It just put ruts in my yard. So This one loosened it up, worked perfectly. So I got a jack stand combo kit thing that I already wanted and I know I'll need, so that's good. I got a wheelbarrow, a new wheelbarrow that who knows, I'll probably use that too. I bought a new flat shovel just to, you know, shovel better, more efficiently. I mean, there's a digging shovel and there's a flat shovel. Flat shovels are much better to just scoop up massive quantities of dirt, or at least bigger quantities of dirt. So I acquired some tools and some gardening things. So all that for probably less than 250 bucks, including the tree. The tree was I think I spent 130 bucks or something, 125 bucks at the nursery. So, you know, all the rest are just tools and random stuff. I do have a bed full of dirt though that I have to get rid of. Probably just gonna smuggle that out like one load at a time through the trash, or make a run to the dump and just dump it all at once. I don't really know, but it was too much to put in the trash can. The last time I put a bunch of dirt in the trash can, it almost didn't get picked up. So, like literally, the trash truck was like, and then it finally made it in, and I didn't even put that much dirt in there. So, dirt is just a heavy some beach, you know. So, probably just gonna have to take that down to the dump. Either way, that is a random non-tech related video from Byte My Bits. I don't know why, I just wanted to film this and make a video about it because it's intriguing. So I'm gonna mow the lawn. That's not gonna get recorded because that's not nearly as interesting, but I have to mow the lawn. It's kind of getting out of control, and it is just such a beautiful day. I'm loving it. Kind of want to go to the lake. It's probably not warm enough yet in the water, but I'm ready for some lake. Hey guys, thank you for watching. I know probably half of you are going to be like, that tree is going to die because it's not up high enough, but you're probably right. It is what it is. At this point, it's in the ground. Either way, thank you for watching. If you feel like telling me that it's going to die in the comments, go ahead and do it. Like and subscribe, and have yourself a good day. Actually, I already ended the video, but something that I forgot to mention is I do still need to get mulch, and I need to do tree rings. Like I have over here, you can kind of see over there, I got these like stone, like cheap tree ring things. I also need some edging and stuff done in the front of the house. So I was thinking about getting this like concrete poured edging done, and before I wanted to get an estimate, I wanted to, you know, make sure the trees and everything were swapped out. So I might do that concrete pouring fancy edging back here for both these trees, and then up front. So I got to get that, and then I'll get mulch, and then yeah, home ownership.